tutorial, I want to show you how to use Mapwarper together with StoryMap. So you can see right here, I have my StorymapJS image on display up here. If you were logging in, you'd get this pop up here. You'd either create a new story map or you'd open a story map that you have already. So that's what I've done. I've opened up a story map that I've already created for this lesson. Likewise, if you have an account with Mapwarper and you've created a uh, map that you want to use, and in this case, I am using a map called A Plan of the City of Worcester from 1741, and I've already georectified much of the map here, and as you can see here, I've also cropped a bunch of the map here, so I'm ready to use this map in my StorymapJS, and in order to do that, I need to get the tiles, and we'll see what that looks like here. So we go under export, the export tab, and you'll see that we have a number of ways to export things. We can download KML files, we can download a geotiff, but in this case, I need these tiles right here. I need this link right here, which tells the StorymapJS where to find my map tiles. So all I need to do is highlight this and Control C or copy it, and then I have that available to me. Then what I want to do is go over to my story map. As you can see, I've populated this just a little bit here already, and you can see I've already inserted my map. In order to do that, I went up to Options, and under Options, I went under Map Type, and as you can see, there are a number of map types here, and I believe it defaults to the OpenStreetMap standard. So that's what you would find. But if you scroll down a little bit, you can choose Custom. And once you choose Custom, you can drop in your Mapwarper tile link into the URL field, and you close that, and what will happen is you will pop up your map in your preview here. Now you may have to go here and search for your location, so it might be a big global map by default, and you have to, in my case, zoom into Worcester, so I just typed in Worcester, UK here, and then it zoomed in for me, and then I could see my map. Otherwise, I think if I were zoomed out too far, I don't know how far it allows me to zoom out, but once you zoom out far enough, it disappears into nothing. So you just have to type in Worcester or wherever you are, where you want to find your map. And now it's centered it, and then you sometimes have to just press plus here, and you will find it eventually as you zoom in. But that's how you do that in Mapwarper JS, and you'll notice you have a map to work from that you can move around, and if you keep zoomed in far enough, you can actually make the edges go away depending on what your technique is and what your story is that you want to tell.